All right, guys, here we are. Today is the day that Caleb and I get the old Foxbody running, okay? As long as this garage door opens.
It's gonna catch on fire.
Maybe. Go open. Hello? There it goes. You ready for this?
It's gonna burn to the ground.
All right, you hear? You fucking heard it here. It's gonna burn to the ground. You gotta kind of move a lot of things as well. So let's go ahead and get started. What are you doing? Of course you are. Always lazy. Can't do nothing. Guys, okay, so we got the fans wired in. Now I just have to hook it up to the relay in the fuse box, and then I want to hook this up, but for this we're not going to. I'll do that later. We're actually gonna ride with no inner dash or outer dash, whatever skeleton you want to call it, and then we're just gonna put the seats in, bolt like one seat down, or well, we can bolt both seats, right?
No, we just set it in there.
Yeah, we'll just set it in there for Caleb, and then we're gonna go test drive. So this is getting exciting, huh?
Yes.
Yes, you're an ass monkey, boy. Who's got the fucking attitude?
Not fucking me, bitch.
You have the attitude. You, Mr. Caleb.
Right, you just got demonetized.
Oh, let me just wipe down my car. Oh, look how good that looks. Oh,
Detailing 101.
Detailing 101. Get a good clean rag and wipe it down. All right, you ready to push it out?
Yeah.
There's no seat still. Yeah, golly. Do I hit the brake? Push?
That's all I got. It's in gear.
He's fucking lazy. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
It's in gear.
Hurry up.
We're running over something.
No, we're not. It's just tough to push. It's heavy. I told you.
How are you gonna race this thing? It's heavier than a Suburban.
Oh, there we go. We're moving.
What is this, 10,000 pounds?
At least. Well, you gotta think the brakes and stuff are all wrong.
Oh yeah, I forgot. The brakes are rubbing.
Yeah, told you. There we go.
No, it's not too bad, but...
Oh my god. Okay. Race car life.
This thing's
All right.
so much smaller outside.
It looks huge inside. All right, we're gonna charge the battery and get back to you.
It's on fire. There's thirsty too.
Caleb over here wasting good, perfect water.
There's water in your plants, dog.
Oh, water in the... It just rained.
Here's some more.
For the homies. Respect. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, we're letting the battery charge. It's getting a little bit exciting. Don't you think, Caleb?
I think it's gonna catch on fire.
You still think it's catching on fire? It didn't want to stay running.
That's because it's clogging up in there and it's gonna shoot a big old fireball out.
But like, why wouldn't it just stay running?
Because it's Chevy.
Make sure these are tight. That doesn't look good though. Yeah, I don't know. I hope everything still works. So
Your alternators are plugged.
this is plugged in. Well, plugged in. Why is it always sitting so like?
It's really tight.
Yeah, like it's always tight.
You gotta fix that or something.
Yeah. There we go. Make sure. See, I know that needs to be in there, and then this one's not in there, which kind of sucks. And then the MAF is not plugged in, but that shouldn't not let it run.
Plug it in.
It's acting like a cam or crank sensor when, you know, you start it and then it stops after a couple seconds. You didn't wipe down the dang car like I asked. Ah, God, how am I supposed to go racing? Nope. If the car's dirty, man, come on.
Alright, start it out. It's charged long enough.
No, it has not.
Yeah, it's gonna do a fire right
That
up.
Charger sucks.
Fire right up.
You're not gonna wipe down my car?
I'm telling you, a fire right up.
Man, how am I supposed to see when I'm gapping when I'm gapping Camaros?
Same motor.
With the same motor, yeah. But a better car, a better setup, man. Come on. Jesus.
Fire up.
All right, one take. We're doing a one take.
Just shut off.
That means it's not charging.
It does. Alright, it's good. We just had 25 and it was running.
There we go. All right, here we go. are burning. We're gonna ask him. Oh no, don't waste the water.
You gonna record me?
Yeah.
Showing him your ghetto gas pedal.
Hell yeah. Look at this gas pedal, boy. It's like handicap special. I mean,
Oh yeah.
Ooh, you're the
Handicap
back
gas
car?
pedal. Let's go.
all right. I am so freaking out here. Oh my god, power steering.
We don't have one.
I just went for the gas.
Oh god.
Ow.
This is
Ow.
crazy.
Oh shit.
What is going
You
on?
gonna look at me when we're doing this?
Yeah, this.
Ah.
Never seen some crackhead shit like this.
This is
before.
crackhead shit.
Oh
Ah.
fuck.
This is awesome. Oh. Alignment's a little off. Oh,
Oh, that thing's bumpy. Oh god.
oh golly. Oh yeah. If we gotta stop, we're not stopping, bud.
How's the brakes in this thing?
Hard.
How's the clutch?
What clutch?
The clutch. How's the clutch?
Yeah, we're gonna just fucking floor it down the street.
We're gonna die. Oh, you got a seatbelt on? I didn't know we had those.
Oh. Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh. Woo! Holy shit!
Oh, this is the scariest thing I've ever done.
Oh god!
Thought Ryan had a shitbox. God damn.
God, what got on the windshield? What did we blow?
Oh god. What did we blow?
I don't know. I got no
It
gauges.
smells like oil.
Does it? Oh god.
Hopefully it's not overheating. Oh god.
I can't not fucking oh!
It's like we're in a fucking giant go-kart.
I wonder if we blew off that line to the coolant.
I know.
Yeah, stopping sucks so bad.
Are you stopping right now?
Yeah!
Are you sure?
Yes!
I don't think you are. Oh, we heard some rubbing. You hear that?
I stopped hearing the rubbing.
Alright. Can we turn it off?
No, keep recording.
Okay.
I'm trying to put it in fucking park though.
We don't go in park.
It won't go in park.
Is that park?
That's reverse. Go one more. Oh no, Caleb. That thing's in the way, isn't it?
Yeah. In my pocket. My phone fell in my pocket. What happened?
I don't know, but I can't put it in fucking park.
This thing's not even working anymore. There it goes.
We're good. Alright, let's go see what's smoking. I can't open my door, I forgot. Oh god, Caleb, help me! It's so hot in here.
Is it overheating?
Oh. Looks like it came off the gear. Talk to you later. Peace out.